Florida's medical cannabis program was designed to operate much like our regular medication system. If you are suffering from a chronic illness or condition and think medical cannabis is a good option for you, there are 3 steps to obtaining medical cannabis. 1. Visit a physician certified to recommend medical cannabis. You can find a certified physician near you at our website, www.mmtcfl.com, or call 844-682-8261 for an appointment. 2. If your physician determines you qualify, they will enter your name into Florida's Medical Marijuana Registry. This will assign you an ID number required to apply for a registry ID card. 3. Fill out an online application to apply for your Florida Medical Marijuana Registry ID card. There is a $75 charge and the card is good for 1 year. That's it. You can then purchase product at a dispensary. You must be seen every 210 days by your doctor.